Hello everybody, I am back once again with a fabulous unboxing. I haven't done one of these in a while. I have been receiving them. I just haven't gotten around to recording and uploading it, as is always the case. So here we are with an exciting return. Now, I haven't been feeling the boxes lately, and that's why I stopped recording my unboxing of them. Yeah, I genuinely just didn't feel like they were that good lately, so why record them? But this one, I heard the December one was actually kind of exciting. I see it come across on my Reddit, the beauty subscription box one, and people were actually like resubscribing to get it, so that's why I was like, oh, I should probably record this one. And it is the 26th currently. I did hold off on opening it so that of course I could record this, but because the Beautylish beauty boxes, or the Beautylish lucky bags, are going out. 26 is when people, if you sign up, get alerted by Beautylish to be able to order their lucky bags, and they go out like, yeah, they only go out that one time a year. I wish they did it more often, because by the time Christmas comes around, I've like spent all of my money. Please Google it or look it up if you're not aware. It is awesome. It sounds awesome. It's like a good value, and you get a lot of like different things. I see that there's more skincare stuff now. As a general, I'm kind of like, I would like more makeup, okay, in my boxes. But the Beautylish, there's like an XL and a regular one, and it's like $75 plus $15 shipping, to maybe like $150 with $20 shipping. It's like $170, but you get like a bunch of product. It's like $300 or like $400 maybe. It's all random. It's like if you've ever done like a fukubukuro, that type of thing. But yeah, apparently it's incredible, and I do want it, but again, it's that time of year where I can't spend money, and I'm on like this shopping ban. So of course I'm still receiving these $25 a month subscription boxes. That's kind of my one thing that I'm getting, but I can't get anything new. So that's why I've been holding off on this, because it's also something that's bringing me joy. Anyways, sorry, I love to ramble. Let's get into it. Let's just take a look. It looks pretty packed. They usually are pretty well packed, but this one looks a little extra. So let's count. So the first thing that I'm not that excited for is the repairing hand mask. Now, if this was for feet, I'd be very excited, because look at these babies. I know, for free? You see that? That dryness? I could like draw on the ground with that. It's just rough skin, and I know I can like probably overnight soak it in some type of solution, but well, anyways, who's to say I can't use this on my feet, right? Secure on your wrist, and you leave it on for 10 minutes, and then you massage the product into skin. Yeah, I'm gonna try this on my feet, if my feet will fit, or I'll just fit as much as my feet that I can. I wonder if they make this for feet. I'll look it up and I'll put it here if they do. Anywho, let's all continue on. The next item is this Pixi Radiance Perfector Skin Illuminating Enhancer. I thought this was a blush, so I was kind of excited, but now I'm kind of like, damn, is this skincare? Because I like Pixi's beauty stuff. I mean, it's such a good deal for a lot of their items. I don't know if that good deal translates to like skincare stuff, you know what I mean? Like makeup, as long as it wears good, it looks good, we can deal with that, but this, I'm just not sure of. So it gives you like a radiant finish, and you can use it by itself or under makeup. This is what it looks like. It does have a rose gold kind of look to it. I'm such an oily person that this is definitely not for me. You know what I mean? I mean, maybe if I'm wearing matte makeup and I wanted to zhuzh it up, but I'll probably give this away to a coworker or something. The next item is a rose water and glycerin hydrating facial mist. Okay, this so far this was like technically the closest to makeup. This is looking like a skincare box, which is not as exciting for me, but that's okay. A hydrating facial mist. Also, the previews that I saw for this, I thought I saw a few other things that I was like really jazzed about, and I'm not seeing any of that here. Am I wrong? Am I wrong? I do like them for like when I'm on a plane, but this looks like it's a bit too big to be travel sized, so I wouldn't be able to bring this with me on a plane. Natural looking dewiness we're all chasing come December. Well, I live in a humid environment, so our cold season is like in March, and it's not that cold. How about I do it right now? This, is that what glycerin smells like? I'm getting a little bit of rose, yes, but there's also this other fragrance that's so strong and reminiscent of like my mom's 90s slash 80s scented like beauty items that she had just like decaying in her cabinet. So that's fun. Okay, let's continue on to the blow. Sorry if that's too bright. Nourishing spirulina clay mask. Very fun. Okay, you can apply evenly to clean skin over your entire face, avoiding the eye and mouth areas. Leave on for 5 to 10 minutes and then rinse off with warm water. I do prefer masks that I can put on overnight because I have more energy to do that taking off action in the morning. I just started to put some on my, I'm not trying to flip you off, on my face, but then it's kind of separated, so that's like the oil part, but like a clear bunch just came out, dripping everywhere. So I don't know if you can either maybe squeeze it a little bit in the tube, maybe give it a shaky. This might be needing a little bit of a blend. This is like my sunscreen, the True, I don't remember what the brand is. I'll try to put it here if I remember. True something sunscreen. I do like it. It's like more of a skincare sunscreen. It's only SPF 30, but it's good as like a daily wear type of thing. But again, I live in like a humid, very sunny place, so I'm usually using it more so for like overcast days or if I'm in a pinch and that's all I have. But that one you have to kind of like shake and squish around so that it's blended and it's not like so separated like this is. But I'm gonna put on right now because what the heck, I'm gonna take a shower later, so I'll actually have energy to remove it. And what's the harm? Actually, pleasant scent. A lot of these things have a very strong, almost spearminty, mint-like scent, and it really just, I mean, it's tingly, so it's nice, but the smell is almost overwhelming, and like I'm rubbing toothpaste on my face, and I just can't do that. That is not the vibe. Hey, with this shirt and this little thing to keep the hair out of my face because my bangs are greasy, do I not look Parisian with my little Wiener dog, which is a German breed, but whatever. Sorry, is that offensive? You know, I feel like Parisians get a bad rep. I knew one guy from Paris, he was very nice, but he also like wanted to learn English and really liked Americans, so that might have been a rare occurrence. Alright, and how was that? This dries super quick. Continuing on to a very large item in this box, the Billy Cool Blue Starter Kit. I've seen some ads for this actually, so I'm kind of excited. Oh, I didn't know there's a magnetic holder for this. Wow, that's an investment. Okay, so if you get later stuff, you can just stick this up on the bathroom wall. That might actually get me to reorder things like this when I'm done with my shopping ban. But yeah, I've been really good, so trying really hard to recoup my finances after I made so many irresponsible shopping decisions. Oh, here she is, and also in this compostable packaging, it looks like, or corrugated cardboard packaging, forgive me. Yeah, I do not need good packaging. I don't need a luxurious experience. I think it's super wasteful and you're just gonna toss it. I don't think it's worth the 3 seconds of whatever joy it brings you. So sorry. I always get triggered when people are like, oh my god, the packaging, oh my god. I'm like, why do you care? You're gonna throw it away. So here it is. It's on its magnetic angle. I'm really into, or I'm trying to get into magnetic nails. So maybe I could even use the magnet on this to do the magnetic nails. Isn't that exciting? And there's even a backup that they give you for your magnetic holder, the sticky item, in case you mess up. You put on like a wet surface or something, I think. Clean, dry surface. Okay, cool. And you get 50% off your first order of refill blades with a code that it comes with. Damn, I actually might use that. Usually I'm like, but they might have got me with that one. They've sent a few razors before. This isn't my first rodeo. Here's the next item. This is the Head and Hair Heal, like a Luckton painter's tube packaging booster mask. Oh, fantastic. It's a hair treatment and 3-minute rinse off. Awesome. Some of them are like 10 minutes and I'm like, I'm just gonna sit naked in this bathtub doing what? I'm gonna turn the water off and then I'm gonna be cold. I'm not gonna stand there while the water runs on me for 10 minutes for no reason, you know? So this is nice. Yeah, my hair is fried. Look at that. Just dead. I need to cut off a little bit of it. So this is very exciting. Oh, it's made in Sweden. All right. Bravo. Thank you. Thank you very much. And the last item, which is a very exciting item that is the reason why many people resubscribe to this, is because there is an Elemis Pro Collagen Marine Cream in here. Okay. This is kind of like an amazing product. Apparently, I can't speak for it myself. I haven't used it. It's an anti-wrinkle hydrating day cream. So I'm totally into preventing wrinkles. I'm into softening my skin. So I'm going to try this out. Apparently, it's $93 for 30 milliliters for a fluid ounce. And I think this is going to last me at least 2-3 months. So it would be kind of a lot, and I probably would never buy that by myself. But you slather a thick layer over a treatment product before bed, and then you apply a thin layer under sunscreen and makeup in the morning. So you can use it for both. Just put on a thicker layer if you need more moisture or you're going to bed. Put on a thinner layer if you're just going to go about your day. Very cool. Also, if anyone wants this HelloFresh code, boom, there it is. They don't deliver to where I live, so I can never use this. I hope that helps you. And what else do we have? A wine voucher, if anyone wants that. First one to get it, though, you know what I mean? I'm just posting this on this video. But I'm sure they're kind of available online if you really need one. Or on the beauty subscription subreddit. I'm sure you can ask somebody for one of the codes and they'll give it out. They're very generous and nice over there. Alright, that was it. Honestly, not super hyped. I remember one year for Christmas they gave like a moon dust, I don't know if it was an eyeshadow or like a highlight pastel palette. I'm waiting. I love when I get palettes or like different shades of lipstick that aren't red. Something experimental, different eyeshadows and blushes, because they get me to use stuff that I would never buy usually on my own. So kind of a bust for me, to be honest, unless this like changes my life. I am excited for the razor. That might change my life. And this hair cream, so with makeup. But anyways, thank you so much for watching. I hope this was entertaining for you and you were able to do something else and have this on the background or something, as is what I like to do with watching YouTube videos. Okay, goodbye.